Week 2 of my Palismen observations. Not too long ago, I was able to make mental contact with the subject of my observations. His name is Flapjack, and I have to admit, I do not know what a flapjack is. The coven heads are equally oblivious. Everwolf just hissed at me, as per usual. Darius just ignored me, also as per usual. And Rain, well, they've been acting weird lately. A lot more quiet. I did eventually get an answer. Bellows told me it was synonymous to a pancake, but I don't know what that is either. He got suspicious when I asked further, so I backed off. You know, to protect my experiment. Not because this is anything worth hiding, obviously. Perhaps it's some long-forgotten artifact of hellfire and pain. Could it be the reason why our family is gone? Why I don't have magic? I must check my forbidden texts. Damn you, Pancakes! Well, up until now, I've learned that Flapjack likes singing in the morning, catching the early rattleworms, and racing with other birds. With the scar over his eye and a few other notches in the staff, I could tell he was owned by someone else, but he won't tell me who when I ask. He just pulls my hair and flaps it. It's clearly a touchy subject. And proof that this vile creature is still hiding something from me. His true wild nature, his evil intentions. Today, to further my research into the dangers of wild magic, I decided to put Flapjack through a test. Normally, he gets a handful of crabapple claws in the morning, but today, I put out a single Gorberry, an edible but disgusting fruit often disliked by Palismen. Routine broken, expectations dashed. How will he react? I hypothesize he will become enraged in his hunger and disappointment. He will show his true wild colors, dash around my room, peck at me. It's why I'm currently in full armor at this very moment. Oh. He spotted it. He seems aggravated. He's pecking furiously at the Gorberry. He's not even eating it. He's just tearing it apart. Well, magic does make you vicious. It does. Oh. Thanks, Flapjack. He's eating it. And he split it in half for me. I think it's time to conclude these tests.